Today we are going to have a tutorial on how to play the real Yescoin White, an online crypto game that you are going to earn while you are tapping. The first thing you are going to see after you click the link in the description, it is your real Yescoin mining dashboard. Okay, so let's dive into it. As you can see in the picture just beside me, this is your real Yescoin dashboard. You can see your coin balance, you can see your energy limit and a bar, and you can see number 3 is the 5 icons. So the 5 icons, I just numbered them from 1 to 5 so that I can explain. I will be explaining one by one. So as you can see at the picture beside me, the first thing is a bag with a dollar sign. So a bar with a dollar sign, that is your task section. So if you click a bar with a dollar sign, it's going to take you into a page that looks like this. You can see campaigns, active and completed. So as you can see, the page is almost empty because I don't have any active task. I just completed 14 tasks, as you can see. So this is where you are going to be finding your task. If you completed a task, you are going to get a reward with in-game currency, so which is the real Yescoin. So the next thing in my icons list is a rocket, an icon that looks like a mini rocket. So this mini rocket, if you click it, this is your boost or upgrade sections. As you can see in the picture just beside me, I click a rocket, so it is going to take you here. You can see pre-daily boost and a normal boost just below. So this pre-daily boost is going to give you a refill. Each 24 hours you are going to have a refill of your energy limit if you have exhausted it, but once daily. So the normal boost contain multi-tap, energy limit, recharging speed and tap bot. So this tap bot, it is going to be helping you if you are offline. So if you upgraded it, as you can see, it is at level 6. If you upgrade it, it is going to be helping you. If you go offline, it is going to give you some bonus after you have just come back. So that is the importance of tap bot. So as you can see, multi-tap, it is at level 10. Energy limit also level 10, recharging speed level 7. So this multi-tap, it is the amount of tap you are going to get, the amount of the real Yescoin you are going to be having for each tap. So it is important to upgrade it so that if you have more energy limit, you are going to be exhausting them quickly. So this energy limit is the amount of energy that you have available for tapping. So as you can see, it is also at level 10. Each level, if you have upgraded, it is going to give you 500 more real Yescoin. So as you can see, recharging speed, this is the speed taken to refill your energy limit. So the next thing is the number 3 icon is shaking hands. Shaking hands. So this shaking hands, if you click it, this is your friends and referral link section. You are going to find your friend list if you have invited friends so far. You are going to find your referral link if you need to invite another friend. If you click it, it's going to take you somewhere here. You will see the list of your friends, the icon that says invite a friend. So if you click the invite a friend, as you can see in the picture, it is going to take you where you are going to find your referral link. So as you can see, coffee link, if you click it, it is going to copy the link automatically so that you can go and paste it at social media, Facebook, WhatsApp or anywhere, so that your friends will be able to join through your link. After this, the number 4th item is a gift box. It is not exactly a gift box because you are not having gift directly if you click it, but a wallet and exchange connection site. If you click it, as you can see in the picture, it is going to take you to exchange and probably something. So you will see your wallet. This wallet, you are going to connect a BitGet wallet. So the next thing is BingX and BitGet. All you see, they show a green completed, which means the wallet or the exchange is already connected and a task is completed. So the first one, it is not a task. The BingX and the BigGet exchange connection, you are going to have in-game currency reward. That means you are going to have real Yescoin if you completed this. It is just like a task, but the post wallet is the mandatory. So the first thing is that if you click the connection wallet, if you have BitGet wallet in your phone, you have installed it, it is going to open automatically and give you the window that you are going to approve the connections. So if you make this connection, this proof that it is a real human being that is doing the mining. So all the rest is just a tax. You are going to have just a reward. So the next thing in the list is number fifth item, spinning machine or wheel of luck. So if you have clicked spinning machine icon, it is going to take you to where you are going to find your wheel of luck, the items in the wheel of luck that you will probably win if you click it, if you spin it, and a history of your spinning. Maybe you win dollar, you win ticket, you win rocket, and you win in-game currency. That is the real Yescoin. So if you win dollar, it is good. If you win Yescoin, it is good. And also if you win a rocket, is good. So if you, as you can see above, if you click history, you are going to find the history of what you have earned from the wheel of luck. So I think this is the end of today's tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe, like, comment and share this video. This will encourage me to bring another video tutorial. We will meet at the next tutorial that I'm going to be explaining more details about things in the Yescoin. This is not the end of a tutorial. This is not the end of Yescoin. I'm going to be showing you other things. Thank you.